Welcome to Rving and Seeing with Joanne and Phil. Join us for Thanksgiving weekend at Elora Gorge on the Grand River. Now that we're checked in, we have to turn around and exit the park because our campsite is on the other side of the river. As the map shows, it's a fairly lengthy drive and it took us close to 20 minutes to get to our campsite.
Elora Gorge has 400 sites, 130 of which have electricity and water. How appropriate that this brave wild turkey strutted around the campground all Thanksgiving weekend. This tree has to be over 100 years old, but it still has some life left. Many campsites back right onto the gorge, which is 22 meters or 70 feet deep. That's the main reason why alcohol is never permitted in this park.
Let's do a little exploring and show you around the park. The main attraction at Elora Gorge during the summer months is tube rides down the Grand River. Mandatory safety gear is available for rent. Being it was October, we had the gorge to ourselves and we explored the riverbed and caves at our leisure. This short hidden path leads out of the park and into the town of Elora. Crossing over the Rving Creek leads us to a trail that will take us towards the main part of town. Along this way, one of the spots you should check out is a set of stairs that take you down to the gorge, and also Lover's Leap, which is a great spot for photography and is where Rving Creek joins the Grand River.
One of the reasons why we chose this park is we could walk to the town of Elora, a popular tourist destination.
Unfortunately, we were unable to see Elora Falls due to the construction, but all the stores remained open. Coming in the off-season has the advantage of not having to fight the crowds. Taking your time and enjoying the scenery, and right across the street, the shops. As we leave the tourist area and cross the Grand River, we're now looking back at Lover's Leap in the distance. Round trip, this walk took about 3 hours without really rushing. This completes our 2017 RV season. It's time to start planning for next year with major trips to Thousand Islands and Tobermory.
We hope you've enjoyed our short tour of Elora. Give us a thumbs up if you've liked it, and subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching!